Come, test your knowledge of Dagda, the great god of magic, wisdom, and power in Celtic mythology. How much do you know? Which festival is linked to Dagda? What was the name of Dagda's harp? Which tribe did Dagda belong to? What did the Fomorians demand from Dagda? Who was Dagda's daughter? Which role did Dagda hold among gods? What was unique about Dagda's cauldron? What did Dagda disguise himself as? What weapon did Dagda wield? What did Dagda's cauldron represent? Which Fomorian did Dagda encounter? What was the function of Dagda's club? Who aided Dagda in battles? Who was Dagda's lover among the goddesses? Which fortress was ruled by Dagda? Dagda was often depicted as what? What animal was sacred to Dagda? The Dagda's magic runs deep in Irish lore. How did you score on this legendary challenge? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more stories and quizzes on Celtic and other mythologies.